How to remove apps and uninstall software in Windows 11. If you would like to free up drive space on your computer, you can remove unused apps and software from the Settings menu. From the taskbar, click the gear icon to open the Settings menu. On the left-hand side, select Apps. Select Installed Apps. From this menu, you can view all software and apps installed on your computer. Locate the app that you would like to remove and select the three dots to the right of it. Select Uninstall. A message appears stating that the app and related information for it will be deleted. Select Uninstall again and the app is removed. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.